I'm not a developer, but today I built a working web app in less than 5 minutes just by describing it. That moment genuinely blew my mind. Not a single line of code. All I did was open Figma, type what I wanted, and boom, there it was. A working prototype, ready for real users to test. And the craziest part? You can do this too, even if you've never opened Figma before. A few weeks ago, I got access Figma Make, their brand new AI feature that turns prompts into real working prototypes. We're not talking static wireframes here. We're talking logic, interactivity, and a live preview you can test and share. Figma Make is basically your AI co-founder. It's part of the Figma platform, still in beta, and it lets you prompt a web app idea, watch it build the UI and logic for you, edit it live with clicks or follow-up prompts, publish the working result instantly. All inside Figma, no coding tools, no local install, just browser and vibes. Here's how to get in. 1. You need a paid Figma seat. In your file browser, hit Create, Make. You'll land in a new space with Chat window for prompts, Live preview and code editor below. It's honestly one of the cleanest, smoothest AI UIs I've used. I typed, build me a landing page for a UX conference called Future UX 2025. Include title, date, agenda preview, and a ticket button. Use blue and violet tones. Within seconds, a full layout with hero section, agenda block, and call to action button. Gorgeous colors, no broken layouts. I clicked on the button and said, make it bigger. Add a calendar icon. Done. No reloading, no stress. I added a logo, swapped the header image. I had a shareable, functional landing page just like that. Project 2, Climate Dashboard Prompt. Create an interactive dashboard to visualize climate data, include a map area, year selector, and temperature chart. It created a clean 3-column layout with map placeholder, drop-down filter, functional line chart. Then I said, add tooltips when hovering over the chart. Boom, implemented. Styling. Use a dark theme with green accents. All UI elements updated automatically. No tinkering, just talking. Once you're happy, hit the Publish button. You can name your project, share a live link, password protect it, even connect custom domains soon. That's it. You've just launched a web prototype without writing code or touching a server. Okay, real talk. As a UX consultant and workshop host, I've been waiting for this moment. And for founders, freelancers, side hustlers, this could shave off weeks of time. You can build, test, pivot before investing in devs. Open Figma, try Make, and build your first prototype today. Drop your wildest app idea in the comments. I'll pick my favorite and build it live in the next video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS UX and AI tips, and share this with a friend who needs a push to start building. Let's make ideas real, together.